Happy Monday and welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today we have some customer service jobs and we have a few jobs that are dealing with customer interactions, scoring and grading those customer interactions, and of course knowing kind of what the users need. You can literally make on the low end $1,320 a week just scoring those customer interactions. And just real quickly, I always hate saying the same thing and sounding like a broken record to those of you who watch my videos daily, but I do have a lot of people finding my channel, so I just want to quickly mention that what this channel is about is we go out and search all of the job boards daily so that you don't have to, and try to cherry pick the best jobs that are hiring work from home, and we generally share them on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. Links, timestamps, all additional information you may need to get to the pages that I'm sharing or navigate around the video can always be found in the YouTube description box that's generally located below the video. But of course, without wasting any more time, first up we have the company Moodle hiring. Now, Moodle is an education online platform. They only have 41 reviews from past and current employees, so I always urge you to do your own research, read reviews on any companies before giving them your personal information. Moodle does have a high employee satisfaction rating, though, coming in at 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer support agent remote for the United States. All the jobs that I'm sharing are remote for the United States. And so again, Moodle is an online education platform, and they are really looking for someone to just assist Moodle's US customers with any product questions or account management and maintenance questions. So maybe they are locked out of their account, they forgot their password, any kind of billing questions, things like that. You're also going to help them maintain and improve their support processes and documentation that is used by team members and users. So maybe helping update any SOPs or FAQ questions, things like that. You're going to work closely with your team members, just assisting with all products and services. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just somebody who has experience in customer service, specifically a ticket-based customer service role. So you can work with different software programs, CRM tools. You have experience updating, maintaining process documentation. You are flexible and can occasionally work within diverse time zones, although they do allow you to have kind of a flexible work schedule. They do want somebody who has experience supporting software, working with software. Now, it's a plus if you have additional languages like Spanish or anything like that. Not required, though. Pay for this position is anywhere from $40,000 a year up to $50,000 a year. Now, next up, we have the company Human Interest. Human Interest has 313 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a conversion document specialist. Now, Human Interest is a company that works with different businesses so that those businesses can offer their employees a path to financial independence through retirement savings. So this is going to kind of be on the financial level. You're going to manage the flow of vital documentation from other record keepers to Human Interest. So that means managing the flow of those documents for employees signing up for retirement savings or changing their retirement allocations or anything like that from those other record keepers, which is going to be the employees, to the Human Interest company to manage. So you're kind of assisting with customer onboarding, establishing and organizing those conversion plans and transfer times of the documentation, creating and maintaining relationships, so that you can improve that document conversion rate for those clients. Now, you are going to help try to accelerate the retrieval and allocation of retirement assets for the new clients, making sure that basically their documentation gets processed. If they fill out a form that says they want to change their allocation, you need to make sure that that document doesn't also gets transferred to Human Interest, but it also gets processed so that the action that needs to be taken actually gets taken and the customer's retirement plan is updated. So you're just basically the administrator for all of the retirement plan documentation. Doesn't require any kind of college degree, though. They're looking for somebody who has 3 years of experience in either relationship management or some kind of elevated customer service. And they do prefer somebody who has 1 year experience directly working with either conversions or retirement, some kind of a financial sector, great communication skills, a great organizational skills, somebody who can have a positive attitude. Now, pay is all the way down here in the bottom. It's anywhere from $21.73 an hour up to $26.45 an hour. Now, this next company has a little bit lower employee satisfaction score. They come kind of right in the middle. So, of course, some people love them, some people hate them. But I thought I would share because they are paying very high for someone to literally listen to like recorded phone calls or read emails and score those on a grading rubric. You're scoring customer interactions. So the company is Evolve. They have 380 reviews with an overall rating, again, at 2.6 out of 5 stars. So right in the middle there. They are looking for a senior specialist quality assurance. This is remote for the United States. And of course, their quality assurance team is making sure that their customer service team has handled everything in a quality manner. So your job is going to be to monitor and evaluate a high volume of customer interactions. This may be inbound phone calls, outbound phone calls, chats, cases, and emails between the evolvers and the customers. So you are basically listening to those recorded phone calls. So you're not actually talking to the customer or doing the customer service yourself. This is going to be a non-phone position. You're listening to these interactions from the customer service reps, and you are going to score them or grade them based on a rubric that you are given to evaluate their performance. And when you're evaluating their performance, you're kind of checking boxes like, did they provide the proper greeting? Did they ask follow-up questions to the customer? Things that they are trained to do. You're just making sure that they're following through and trying to find any places where they may need additional training or guidance. So you're analyzing the available data to identify any performance trends, gaps, establishing metrics, and reporting resources. Just trying to identify any messaging trends that correlate to customer metrics. Now, while this doesn't require any kind of college degree, they are looking for somebody who has 3 years of quality assurance experience, specifically in some kind of customer service environment. Of course, you've got to have great written and verbal communication skills. You've got to be highly organized, have great attention to detail, be like very meticulous. You want to dot your I's, cross your T's, all the things like that. You do have to know how to use spreadsheets like Google Sheets and have a passion for basically customer service or hospitality. So you are basically committed to high quality standards. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $69,000 to $80,000 a year. Based on a 40-hour work week, that's going to break down to $33 an hour, up to $38.46 an hour. Now, at $33 an hour, you're looking at about $1,320 a week. Now, of course, we have Netflix hiring. Netflix is looking for someone to help with the user experience as well, but the user experience being the employees or workforce, their employees' user experience. They have 3,200 reviews from past and current employees, an overall rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a workforce productivity specialist. This is remote for the United States. One thing I want to point out, the very bottom of this job posting says that they will leave it open for no less than 7 days. The job was posted on February 17th of 2025. That is today, the day that I'm recording and posting this video. So you have about 7 days from now, if you're watching it on the day it was released, to get your application in if you're interested in this position. But they are looking for somebody to basically be a workforce productivity specialist or operate as part of their technical leaders within the Netflix technology experience team. So you are going to look at how users experience technology within the workforce. How are they working with the technology in their roles and in their jobs? So you're developing user experience insights and trying to inform prioritization of any system tools enhancements and opportunities that's going to drive that improved user experience. So you're doing a lot of data analytics and looking at reporting with this position, curating that data-informed stories that advocate really for users and support teams experience friction with the technology that they're given to do their jobs, and influencing partners to reduce the complex technology that they're using and make it more user-friendly or simple. So basically, again, just leveraging data queries to kind of inform customer experience insights, or kind of find the trends and find those insights. So you're basically just doing a lot of data analysis, a lot of data reporting. This job pays very high. It does not require any kind of college degree, but they are looking for somebody who has 2 years experience as a support specialist, technical analyst, or business system analyst, or kind of like a similar role. Somebody who has curiosity in research, analyzing, and understanding user interaction. So you have the technical depth and ability to kind of pull and analyze reporting. So they're looking for somebody who has like data mining or data querying in SQL, or if you have experience with Tableau or Jira. I know the company I work for, we use Tableau as a dashboard for all of our reporting. I only know how to use Tableau from a user perspective. We do have a whole data analytics team that builds the backends and kind of builds the reporting that we need in that. So I know a lot of companies use Tableau, so if you've worked in that before, of course you've got to have strong communication skills, but Netflix pays anywhere from $100,000 a year up to $700,000 a year. I expect them to kind of start you more on the $100,000 a year mark, which is still about $1,900 a week. Now, next up, we have a CVS Health hiring. They have 46,000 reviews and overall rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a care management associate. Now, this does say this position is fully remote. Employees can work from any state, so they have no state restrictions, although they are looking for somebody to work 5 days a week, including some Saturdays, but not all Saturdays. And this is a mid shift, so they're looking for somebody to start at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and work about until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So not quite a second shift, more of a midday shift. And of course, if you're outside of the Eastern Standard Time Zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. This is going to be a phone customer service type job, but the best part about this is they don't require very much experience at all. They're really looking for somebody to help coordinate medical services, including intaking and outbound phone calls for different medical services, working with that care team. So you're responsible for the initial review and triage of the care team task. This means you'll identify the principal reason that the patient was admitted to the hospital or facility and correctly apply any intervention assessment tools needed. You're going to maybe be making outbound phone calls, talking to the patients themselves, screening them for any target intervention that may be needed. So you're going to ask certain questions, making sure that you have like their insurance, following up with their benefit plan or their insurance, making sure that services are covered or what services they can get. So you are just identifying any triggers for Aetna's case management. Now, Aetna is the insurance company. I'm not sure if they're partnered with CVS or they're owned by CVS, but they're very highly integrated. So you're just utilizing those Aetna systems to build research and enter that patient and member information into the system as needed. So again, what diseases they have, their diagnosis from their doctor, what services they're being seen for, their insurance, all of that information. It only requires a high school diploma or GED and 6 months of some kind of customer service experience. That is it. That is all the requirements. Most of us have at least 6 months of customer service unless you've never worked before, because customer service can be anything. You've served someone. It can be working in retail, working in restaurants, even babysitting or walking around, like asking your neighbors if you can mow their yard or stuff. That is still serving a person, doing something for somebody else. Other than that, you've got to have just great communication skills. They want somebody who is at least a little bit familiar with like medical terminology. Of course, somebody who can work a computer, navigate around different software systems, and pay for this one is anywhere from $18.50 an hour up to $35.29 an hour. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. You can always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Sharing is always caring, so please share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.